What's up guys, it's me, and I'm going to be playing with slime. Really good if I had like a person to hold it. I do actually. And plus, I made this slime. And it's turned out pretty good, to be honest. Here it is, actual color. I didn't have no food dye, so I just left it white. But it looks like blue. And plus, today guys, I'm going to play with it because I made it and I don't feel like making it all over again. So this is all for today. Bye guys.